This is a short video clip for performing shading on the Toshiba high-definition cameras. The shading procedure can be performed in a similar manner on all our 3-chip cameras. Here we'll use the Toshiba IK-HD5 to demonstrate. Shading or chromatic aberration is a phenomenon common to 3-sensor cameras, where shades of magenta or cyan are observed at the top and or at the bottom of the video monitor. This is due to imperfections in the lens or the prism. Some lenses will show shading worse than others. The camera can compensate for it by performing a similar procedure to the white balance, where a white image is placed into the field of view as a reference and the shading button is pushed so that the camera can remove any color tints. In order to perform shading, you need to video a white reference. If you don't have a white chart, you can use a white piece of paper, a business card, some white fabric, or a towel or a washcloth. Before performing shading, you should check what the camera settings are set to. On this Toshiba IK-HD5, we do this by using the OSD, the on-screen display, to read the settings. To scroll through the menu pages, we use the page button. Each push will increment to the next menu screen. When you are on the desired screen, the menu up-down button will move your cursor between the lines and the data up-down button will change the value. To get to the white balance page, we push the page button 8 times till we see the menu 8, option 1. And the first item in the sub-menu is shading. In the shading sub-menu, there are 3 settings, either manual, off, or set. You can adjust the shading in the manual mode and remove the color shades, or you can do it automatically by choosing set. In this video clip, we will cover the automatic set choice. Using the data up button, change shading to set and then push the display button to remove the OSD, the on-screen display. Place a white object into the field of view, and depending on the lens you're using, you may or may not notice shading at the top or the bottom of the image. Push the set button for about a second, and this is the same button that doubles as the menu up button, and you will see SHD flash on and off in the bottom left of the image. When the camera has completed the shading process, a SHD OK will flash onto the screen and then disappear, and you can continue with your videoing. This completes our shading tutorial. Please view our other how-to video tutorials.